Hey guys, it's your boy Wolfgang here with another video. So guys, today I'm with a special guest today. Obviously, I have my neighbor's dog, obviously to babysit, but here he is, such a cute boy dog. But the thing is, obviously, I have been thinking about it recently. Obviously, you may hear stuff in the background, but let's just ignore that because my dog is growling. But my thing is, guys, I just wanted to say, guys, thank you guys for the support and so much. It's okay. So guys, that's all I gotta say for today. Let's record tomorrow. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wolfgang out.